What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to create this text effect. You can move it around like this. So let's get started. First thing, I'm going to delete all, and now we can create a new text. Let's pick the text tool and type anything you want. I'm going to type Curvy, Curvy, and I'm going to make the text a little bit thicker by selecting the bold sound tool, and I'm going to make it bigger, and I'm going to drag it to the center. Let's make it bigger the more. Put it on hot. Okay, I'm gonna leave it hit this. Now just follow the step. One thing, you need to turn it off and then select the subject. So I'm going to go to select and select subject. Now once you've selected the subject, I'm going to duplicate it. Ctrl J to duplicate. Alright, so now once we've duplicated that, I'm going to turn on this one, the curvy. Turn it on, and I'm going to drag it under. I'm going to create another one, Ctrl J to duplicate it, and I'm going to take it up above it. I'm going to double click to open up the blending option. So let's open up the blending option. I'm going to turn on the bevel and emboss. Go into the bevel and emboss so you can see, and go to contour. Turn the contour on, make the range 100 and set the contour like this. Go to stroke, turn the stroke on, select the stroke, and you can increase the size of the stroke if you feel, or you can take it below small. So let's just leave it at somewhere like 35 and make the opacity 100 and hit OK. Now once you've done that, reduce the fill to 0 and select this one as well, and then link them together right here. And now you can drag them and it's going to move like this. I hope this video is helpful. If you enjoyed the video, you can hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, kindly subscribe. See you in the next video. Once again, this is ASAS.